Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca and today I'm going to be doing a Euphoria makeup look. It's very glittery, very out there, but use it in your everyday makeup. Use it if you're going to go out. Use it if you want to take Euphoria pictures. Use it if you want to watch Euphoria. I really like everything about like their looks because it's very like space, like galaxy. It was very fun to like come up with. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I decided to do a voiceover for this video too, like my last one, because I think it's just easier because I can like really go into depth and like explaining rather than like having to do and like being distracted by like what I'm doing. If you guys don't like that and you want like real time, I could definitely switch it. Enough of me talking and let's get into the video. My eyebrows are already on my face and I'm going to start off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. And with a concealer brush, I'm just going to place it on my eyelids and blend it out. To really get a nice, clean, sharp eyeshadow look, I'm going to take Scotch tape, and to take off some of the sticky so it doesn't pull my eyelid, I'm just going to place it on my hand, and then I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye, trying not to place down my eyelashes and, you know, trying to prevent them from ripping off. Going with my SL Miss Glam SS57 blending brush, I'm going to take the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and with this light purple color, I'm just going to place that on my crease. With the same brush and the same palette, I'm going with this darker purple, and I'm going to place that on the outer crease as well. In the same brush and the James Morphe palette, I'm going to go in with this purple on the bottom here and put that in the same place that I put the other two colors. Now for some depth, take the darker color in the James Charles palette and put that on your outer crease. To cut our crease, take any concealer. I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris one, and I'm just going to create the shape that I want. Taking this Alien Love Child by Space Case Cosmetics, it's a really pretty purple color, and I'm just going to place that where I put the concealer. Going back in my James Charles palette and taking this sparkly purple color, I'm just going to place that on top of the cut crease as well. Now going in with this Wet n Wild Single Glitter Icon in Bleached, I'm just going to place that on top of the cut crease to add a little sparkle. Now here comes my favorite part, the very Euphoria look. Taking gems and eyeshadow glue, I'm just going to put that on the places that I want, and you can really get creative with this part. For my mascara, I'm going to take my Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara, and I'm just going to comb my eyelashes with that and prepare them for the falsies. The Remy Rose Glam Lashes in Leslie falsies I'm going to use today, and they turned out really nice. To prime my face, I'm going to take this Tarte Double Duty Hydrating Primer, and I'm just going to put that on my face, getting ready for a foundation. I'm going to take the CoverGirl Clean Matte Foundation in 520, Just gonna dot that on my face, and then taking my Wet n Wild foundation brush, I'm just going to buff that into my skin. For concealer, I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the number 10, which is light, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and right under the eyeshadow so I can really create a sharp line. To blend this out, by the way, I'm just taking a concealer brush. You can use any concealer brush. And then to really buff it into my skin, I'm going to take this Farah concealer buffer, and I'm just going to use that. To set under my eyes, I'm going to take this MAC foundation powder and just using the little blendy thing inside the package, I'm just going to use that and put that under my eyes. Taking a powder brush and the Fit Me Maybelline translucent powder, I'm just going to set my face with that. Using the Take Home the Bronze bronzer by The Balm Cosmetics and a contour brush, I'm going to bronze up my face with that. Now this tip is optional, but I'm going to contour my nose using a little eyeshadow brush and the same bronzer that I used for my face. I'm going to make 2 lines down the middle, and then to highlight and contrast the bronzer, I'm going to take powder and put that on the sides of my nose and right in the middle. For blush, I'm taking this Milk cream blush and I'm putting it on my hand, then taking a stippling brush, I'm just going to pick up the product and put it on the high points of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm taking this Rainbow Crystals by Pacifica Cosmetics, and I'm just going to put that on the high points of my face. To set my face first with the Morphe setting spray, and then I'm going to put the glitter on the high points of my cheeks. This is really going to bring out the makeup, and it's just what they use in the show, so I thought it was really cool. Taking a flat eyeshadow brush and the NYX palette, going with the teal color, and I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my waterline. So those are the finished eyes, and now for the lips, I'm going to take my Fenty lip gloss and just put that on. Okay, so that's the end of the makeup. I really love this one. I say that for everyone. I feel euphoric. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. Let me know what other looks you guys want me to do and like show you. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next video.